Did you know one of history's most famous criminals became a legend only after escaping prison? In August 1963, 15 masked men pulled off the crime of the century. They stopped the Royal Mail train carrying 2.6 million pounds, more money than most people could imagine. For 18 months, they had planned every detail, bribing postal workers for inside information about the route and timing. At 3 in the morning, they forced the train to stop using fake signals, then moved it to their chosen location. In just 30 minutes, they loaded 15 bags of cash and vanished into the night. Most were caught within months, including Ronnie Biggs, sentenced to 30 years. But in 1965, Biggs did the impossible. He escaped maximum security prison using a rope ladder and waiting car. For 36 years, he taunted police from Brazil, sending postcards and giving interviews. He became more famous as a fugitive than as a robber. In 2001, sick and broke, he finally returned to Britain. The mastermind had beaten the system for decades,